Before DJI even says a single official word, the DJI Avata 360 is already popping up for pre-order at a US retailer. And yes, that alone is wild. New images have surfaced, bundle details are floating everywhere, and suddenly this drone feels a lot closer than anyone expected. If you've been waiting for something fresh, immersive, and a little unexpected, this leak is definitely worth talking about. Let's start right where the excitement is, pre-orders. A US retailer has listed the DJI Avata 360 ahead of any official announcement, complete with stock tracking, accessory options, and even reservation-style listings. That usually doesn't happen unless a launch is getting close, or at least close enough to make retailers confident. But here's the catch. This retailer isn't an authorized DJI dealer, which adds a layer of risk that you really need to understand before clicking that buy button. From the leaked images, it's clear DJI is playing the bundle game very strategically this time. The base bundle is as minimal as it gets. You're looking at just the Avata 360 drone with a battery already inside, spare propellers, mounting screws, a small camera protector that looks FPV mode specific, and a USB-C cable. That's it. No goggles, no controller, no case, no extra batteries. This bundle is clearly not for beginners. It's aimed straight at existing DJI FPV users who already have compatible gear and just want the drone itself without paying for duplicates. Then comes the standard ready-to-fly option, often referred to as the Fly Smart combo. This is where DJI seems to welcome new users. Along with everything from the base bundle, you get DJI goggles, a motion controller, 3 batteries, and the necessary charging accessories. Basically, open the box, charge things up, and you're flying.
This bundle feels designed for accessibility. Less confusion, fewer compatibility worries, and a smoother first FPV experience overall. Now, if you're the type who hates battery anxiety and loves being prepared, the Fly More combo is clearly calling your name. This is the premium package. It includes everything from the standard combo but adds multiple extra batteries, a proper charging hub, additional spare propellers, and a structured hard carrying case. On top of that, the images show Goggles 3, which are the higher-end option. This bundle screams long sessions, fewer interruptions, easier travel, and serious content creation vibes. In other words, DJI might be planning a much wider lineup of bundle variations than we're seeing right now. What's leaked could be just part of the full picture. But let's slow down for a second and talk warnings. DJI has not officially announced the Avata 360. The retailer taking pre-orders is not authorized. Some listings describe units as unsealed, already activated, or imported international versions. Warranty coverage looks uncertain, firmware support isn't guaranteed, and final retail bundles could change completely once DJI goes official. This retailer feels closer to a dropshipper than a traditional DJI partner, so caution is absolutely necessary here. All right, now let's talk money, because this is where opinions will really split. Based on current pre-order listings, prices range widely. A base bundle with 1 intelligent flight battery is listed at $999.99. A Fly More bundle that includes 1 battery and the RC2 controller comes in around $1,299.99. The higher-end Fly More bundle with 3 batteries, a charging hub, carrying case, and RC2 controller reaches $1,799.99. There's also a single unit Avata 360 listing at $1,799.99, described as new but unsealed and already activated. A Motion Fly More bundle is expected around the same $1,799.99 mark, adding RC Motion 2 and Goggles N3. Now I want to hear from you. Which bundle actually makes sense to you? The bare bones base option, the balanced standard combo, or the all-in Fly More setup? Drop your choice in the comments and tell me why. Let's see which one the community picks.